When Donald Unger was young, his mother and a handful of other authority figures told him that if he cracked his knuckles, he'd get arthritis. So as a dutiful, skeptical scientist, he made it his lifelong mission to find out if she was right. It's Ig Nobel November, where I'm talking about scientific achievements that won an Ig Nobel Prize, the mostly lighthearted, satirical version of the Nobel Prize. So for almost 60 years, Donald cracked the knuckles on his left hand almost twice a day, but never cracked the knuckles on his right hand. By year 50, he'd cracked the knuckles on his left hand at least 36,500 times. And after 60 years of cracking on with the experiment, both his hands were fine and he had no symptoms of arthritis. So he reached the conclusion that there's no apparent relationship between cracking knuckles and getting arthritis. Near the end of his paper, he wrote, "This calls into question whether other parental beliefs, for example, the importance of eating spinach, are also flawed, and further investigation is required." It's a mix of three of my favorite things: long-term experiments, silliness, and skepticism-fueled science. Also self-control, like there's no way I'd be able to pop the joints in only one of my hands for 60 years. Dr. Unger was awarded with the Ig Nobel Medicine Prize for this work in 2009.